If you are a video creator on Instagram and like about creating awesome content and you want to know how to be monetize your Reels video and also learn how to schedule your content with 100% free tools, then you've come to the right place because I'm gonna show you all the tips and tricks to make your Reels not just entertaining but also profitable. So watch this video till the end because I'm gonna give you step by step all the process. Hey there, Tyas here. Welcome back to my channel. First thing first, let's talk about monetizing your Reels on Facebook. Now, Facebook offers a fantastic opportunity for creators like you to earn money by participating in the Facebook Creator Program. To be eligible for this, you need to create original and engaging content that complies with Facebook guidelines. For the subscription, you have 10,000 followers or 250 returning viewers, and 50,000 post engagement or 180,000 minutes viewed. To join the program, head over to the Meta Business Suite and you can apply from there. Once you are accepted, you can start earning money through in-stream ads, brand partnership, and even fan support. It is essential to build a loyal audience and engage with them regularly to increase your chance of making a steady income. To get started, you need to have a Facebook business page and then access Meta Business Suites. Once you are in, you can plan, create, and schedule your content in advance. Now what you need to do after you create your Facebook page, you have to go to the setting page. Choose the link account. Click Instagram and connect account, then click connect. Just allow access to Instagram message in inbox, then click confirm. You have to log in through your Instagram account first to confirm you are the owner of your IG account. Insert your username and password, then click the login button. Save your login info. I just choose not now, then wait for a second until Facebook synchronizes through your Instagram account. And now my Instagram and Facebook page has been connected. Now let's talk about how to schedule your content reels using Facebook. First, you have to go to business.facebook.com or Meta Business Suites. With Meta Business Suites, you can upload your reels, add caption, and even tag relevant products or account to maximize your reach. Not only that, it is a powerful tool that allows you to manage your Facebook and Instagram content efficiently. Choose the account that you want to manage, and here there are a few toolbars such as planner and content. Just choose content. And here there are a few types of content you can upload from posts and reels, stories, and etc. Just choose create reel for an example. Now you can share your content directly through both platforms, Facebook page and Instagram. Just upload your video reel with add video and insert your caption reel here. Scheduling your content ensures that your reels go live at the best time for your audience, even if you are not around to post manually. Last but not least, always remember to engage with your audience regularly. Respond to comments, address their feedback, and build a community around your content. Engaging with your followers fosters loyalty and encourage more people to support you through monetization options. And there you have it guys, monetizing your reels on Facebook with the Facebook Creator Program and managing your content through Meta Business Suite can truly level up your content creation. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials just like this one. And as always, happy creating! Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative, bye bye!